Karma guy here. Here's a 2007 Acura RDX, a local trade with a CARFAX caution due to a total loss report in 2017, but it's been fully repaired and is ready to roll. While not the most polished cosmetically, we've invested over $3,574 in recent mechanical service, including brake pads and a catalytic converter, making it a great daily driver. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade. A recent computer scan shows a clean bill of health with no warning lights and current GA emissions. Pre-purchase inspections are always encouraged. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status with warranty and service plan. Come see us today.